Good morning, Hoover Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Emma, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, November 13th, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 30 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 42 and a low of 32, with fog. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America
and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks lost to the New Jersey Devils by a score of 7-5, and the Bears lost to the Green Bay Packers by a score of 23-16. Clubs meeting today are Hoover Harmonics in the music room at 3 o'clock. 5th and 6th grade Battle of the Books in room 207 at 3 o'clock. And tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, Puzzle Club in room 101. Now please watch another PBIS video for the month of November.
Some of the kids in the class are being loud. The lunch supervisor asked them to quiet down.
Quiet down, class. Find a princess. Who cares about her? I'll just wait. I'm sorry, class. Nate and Ed wasted all of our time. Now we can't go out for recess.
Oh man. I guess next time we should be more respectful.
Yeah. Remember to be respectful.
Responsible to your lunch supervisor.
During lunch.
Monday's motivation is always believe something wonderful is about to happen. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the 5th graders in room 117. Have a Merry Monday.